Seeds are flying all around. Some fall and hit the ground. This is where I should belong, inside a simple song, running careless down the line.
Hi, this is Debbie with the Food Prepping channel, and today I'm going to make something that I don't even know what it's going to taste like. I don't even know. I've never even thought about it before, but I've decided that I want some soup. Sunday, and this didn't have nothing to do with today, but just thinking about it, I guess it made me want soup. But Sunday, I think we're supposed to have 5 to 8 inches of snow, and they're pretty certain about it, so we'll see, I guess. But I just decided when I heard that I wanted to fix some soup. So I've got 2 pounds of ground beef in here. I'm browning that up. I'm getting ready to put 1 large onion in here. I'm going to cut it up. Not too little, but not big either. So, and then I've got potatoes, the gold potatoes. I've got those, and I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 cans of mostly beans. I've got every bean except black beans. I didn't put black beans in here. I should have, but I didn't. Yeah, I've got a can of spinach. I've got 2 cans of corn, and the rest are beans. So that is 7 cans of beans in here. And I'm kind of I don't know what I'm gonna put in it. And I've got some celery, and I'm gonna put some carrots in here. And not very many carrots, though, because I think I told y'all the last time I used carrots, I really didn't like them. And soup. And so, let me get this hamburger browned up and get everything cut up, and I will bring y'all back. Okay, y'all, I'm back. Alright, so in here, I have got 1 onion cut up. I've got 6, celery stalks of celery that I cut up, and that's including, it was a lot of the little flowers or whatever on there, so I cut all those up too, because they say that's supposed to be a really good flavor. And I also put in the Badia Complete. I put in about a half a teaspoon. That's all I had in that jar. And now I'm going to put in Season All. I'm going to put in, let me see what this has got in it. It says salt, spices, and a hint of chili pepper. Sprinkle it on meat, vegetables, and sides. Alright, so I'm going to put a tablespoon of this in here. Alright. And then I'm going to put, remember the other day when I fixed the Chinese food? I have got a whole bowl of the Chinese. It's the little corn and the bamboo shoots and the chestnuts and whatever these things are. I can't think of it. Anyway, I'm putting this all in here too, because I don't want to waste this. So I'm just going to put that all in there. And then I'm going to put, let me see. I need to put the salt and pepper in here. Alright, I've got about a half a tablespoon of pepper in here. Alright, and then I'm going to do a tablespoon of salt, because it's a lot of canned vegetables, and I don't know, some of them have got salt in them, and then some of them don't. Maybe I'll just do a half a tablespoon of salt, and this is just regular table salt, Morton iodized. Alright, and then I've got the potatoes. I cut up 8 of the little gold potatoes in here, and then I've got 1 container I've got 1 container of beef broth. Alright. And now I've got to open all of the cans, and the green beans I've got to rinse off and drain those, because y'all know I hate the taste of green beans in the can. And then I've got to, let me see if there's any, the spinach. I'm going to drain the spinach too. So I've got this, it's still on saute now, so I will bring y'all back. Okay, y'all. Alright, so I've got all the cans open and I'm ready to put them in there. The first thing that I'm going to put in here is this Margaret Holmes low sodium spinach. And that's just because I've got about 10 cans of this that I have got to use up. And so I'm just going to put it in here. Alright, so there is that. Alright, the next thing, and when I did drain that, the next thing is the green beans. These are cut green beans, great value. And I'm just putting, rinsed and drained those. Alright. The next thing is, I've got a can of great northern beans. They're going in here. And I am not going to bring this under pressure. I've got this on the slow cooker. So that's how I'm going to cook this. So it doesn't matter about it being up here going over the field line or whatever. Alright, and the next thing is I've got a can of navy beans. They're going in here. I might not have enough. I better go on and put the... Shoot. I might not have enough room in here, y'all. Alright. The pinto beans. Lucks Pinto Beans. They're going in here. I'm going to go on and put 2 cans of whole kernel corn in here. Oh, I'm not going to have enough room. Oh no, you know what I forgot to do? I forgot to drain the hamburger. Oh no. Alright, so I've got 3 more cans. I don't know if it's going to go, but we're going to try. This is called Margaret Holmes Hopping John. This is black-eyed peas, peppers, and onions. Alright. I don't know. I'm getting rid of Margaret Holmes stuff too, but this is called Margaret Holmes tomatoes, okra, and corn. Oh my God, I got 1 more can and watch it. Alright, the last can is Margaret Holmes seasoned green lima beans. Please go in here. Okay. Now I'm going to try to get these stirred up. Oh no, please don't go out. Alright, and I've got 2.5 bay leaves that I'm going to put in here. Oh, I dropped one. Hold on. Alright, so there's that. I've got it on high on my slow cooker part. Alright, now I'm going to put the lid on here. Oh gosh, this is so frustrating. Alright, so the lid is going on. It's set on 8 hours, and I will bring you back after a while, and we'll see what it's doing. Okay, y'all. All right, so it's 8:30. This has been in the crock pot, slow cooker of my Instant Pot for 6 hours. And I think it's done. I've got it. I want to taste it and see. Oh my gosh, I just love beans. I'm just a bean eater. I didn't get any hamburger. It's so much in the pot. Oh my gosh, I could feed all the town that I live in. Here's a water chestnut. Let's see if it's still crunchy. Very much so. I just put those in here because I didn't want to waste them, and they were going to go bad if I didn't use them up. So it was bean sprouts and water chestnuts. It was 4 different things: bean sprouts, water chestnuts. Oh my gosh, I cannot think of all of it now. But it definitely went good in here. Oh my goodness, y'all. I'm telling you. Oh, the little baby corn. There's the baby corn. Bean sprouts, water chestnuts, bamboo shoots, and baby corn. That's what it was. Let's try this baby corn. I love those little things. Let me zoom in so y'all can see. And there's the green beans, and I put the Nabisco premium soup and oyster crackers in here. Potatoes. There's navy beans and northern beans. And the corn. There's a piece of hamburger. Yay. All right, and that one's spinach. Oh my goodness, y'all. This is so good. It just goes to show you can do. I'm not a baker. I have a hard time baking things and stuff like that, but this stuff like this soup, and I just love putting different things together. I didn't put any, oh, I know what I didn't put in here. I didn't put any cream in here, heavy whipping cream. And I didn't put tomatoes in here except, well, it's still good. Once it gets down some, the pot gets down some, I will put some heavy whipping cream in it and make it creamier. I know I got those golden potatoes, or whatever, and they really are good. I don't know why I don't buy them more often. They're just creamier, and they just cook up good. All right. All right, y'all. Let me get this. I hope you like this video. It just, like I said, just goes to show you can put anything together in here and make it taste good. This is just amazing. And the only, what did I put? I'm not even sure what. Oh, I'll season that, and like a fourth of a teaspoon of the Badia Complete salt and pepper. And I could have put more things in here. The bay leaves, I put 2.5 bay leaves in there to cook, but I just got them out a few minutes ago. But anyway, I hope you like this video, and if you do, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. Look below for links to my Facebook, my Twitter, and to my Instagram. And also, look below for different things that I use in my kitchen that you may want to use in yours. And you can click on the link, and it'll take you to Amazon, and it'll show you exactly where it's at. And it would cost... it would cost no more than, by you clicking on that link, it wouldn't cost you any more than it would if you had, gone to Amazon and done it yourself. It's just that it is right there, and that way you know where the item that you may want is at. So I hope you have a good day and a good week and a good weekend, and I will talk to you later. Bye.